Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to connect Wuuk Video Doorbell to the Google Assistant. Before we start the setup, kindly note that the video stream can be viewed on the Google Home device and not on the Google Home app. So, first of all, make sure you have already set up your Google Assistant enabled device and Wuuk Video Doorbell. Plus, both these devices are plugged into power source and are currently online. Next, open the Google Home app, tap on plus icon on the top left hand corner, followed by selecting Setup a device. Next, tap on Works with Google option and using the search bar at the top of the screen, search for Wuuk. Next, enter your Wuuk account details to sign in. Once the account is linked successfully, then you will be able to view devices available in your Wuuk account on your Google Home app under Linked to You section. So from there, you can manually select if you want to view the live stream on the Google Nest Hub or use voice commands like Hey Google, show Wuuk doorbell. And if in case your doorbell is not working, then watch video in the description to learn how to reset it. Lastly, if you found the video useful, then please do support my efforts by like and subscribe. Thank you.